Welcome! Today we're unboxing the ASEC 4-wheel combination key safe, a robust and secure solution for storing keys safely and securely. Inside the box, we have the key safe, a set of screws and wall plugs for installation, and a user guide to help you set your combination. The key safe features a heavy-duty zinc alloy body with a weather-resistant cover, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. The 4-wheel combination lock allows you to set your own code, offering up to 10,000 possible combinations for enhanced security. The spacious interior can hold multiple keys, making it ideal for families, carer access, Airbnb hosts, or anyone needing secure key access without wanting to duplicate keys. Installation is straightforward. Simply choose a location, drill the necessary holes, and attach the safe using the provided screws. It's designed for durability, ensuring your keys are safe at all times. Whether for personal use, sharing access with family, or providing secure entry for guests, the ASEC 4-wheel combination key safe is a reliable, convenient solution. Looking for more security solutions? Check out ASEC's full range of key safes and other security products designed to keep your belongings secure. The full range of ASEC products, including this key safe, are available exclusively from Aldridge Security for same-day dispatch.